out, honey. Just pull over. There's a car. Just pull right by these trees. Huh?
Concentrate. You guys sit down and put your seatbelts on.
Yeah, get your seatbelts on, guys. Okay, Dad's gonna get us home. I'm afraid of going over that freaking bridge.
I want you guys. When we get to the house, go straight to the basement, okay?
Go straight to the basement when we get to the house. Go around them. Not that fast.
Probably won't even know what's going on. They want to send her a text.
What? How are they going to get in to the house? Did you lock it? Just go, it's clear. It's up here. Up, turn. Turn. Wait. There's a car with lights.